This is our digital pocket scale. Actually, sobrang tagal na nito sa akin, pero ngayon ko lang itong mapapakita sa inyo. Perfect na perfect to for jewelry store owners or gold jewelry collectors. Makakatulong kasi to para ma-check kung tama ba ang timbang ng mga gold jewelries mo. Meron na yung various unit options, per grams, ounce, teraliter, carat, and also grains. But take note, since lightweight and pocket size lang ito, it can only weigh things up to 200 grams only. Otherwise, mag-error ito. This material is made out of high-quality stainless metal, kaya naman hindi siya basta-basta masisira. It also comes with two variations, which are 200 grams and 500 grams. Kaya kayo na lang ang pumili kung ano ang mas suitable sa needs nyo. Same style and size, but different grams. Kaya make sure na tamang variation na pipiliin nyo before kayo mag-check out. Kung accurate weighing scale ang hanap mo, dito ka na bumili sa Uniture.